If you need to cancel a pending transfer on GOG, follow these straightforward steps to ensure the process goes smoothly. This guide will help you navigate through the cancellation effectively. Step 1. Log into your GOG account. Visit the GOG website and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you are accessing the correct account where the pending transfer is located. Step 2. Access your account settings. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Locate the pending transfer. In your account settings, find the section that lists your recent transactions. Look for the pending transfer you wish to cancel. It should be clearly marked as pending. Step 4. Select the transfer for cancellation. Click on the pending transfer to view more details. There should be an option to cancel the transfer. Select this option to proceed with the cancellation. Step 5. Confirm the cancellation. After selecting the cancellation option, you will likely be prompted to confirm your decision. Review any information provided and confirm the cancellation to finalize the process. Once you have completed these steps, the pending transfer should be successfully cancelled. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to GOG customer support for further assistance.